see the same challenges: muscle imbalances, uneven posture, balance issues, and stiffness. But there is one interesting difference. Many of my younger clients have surprisingly weak core strength and poor overall stability. But why? Because they're young enough that their bodies are still compensating. Most don't yet realize what living with scoliosis over decades can mean. The older clients are different. They've accepted that scoliosis is part of their life. I have. They understand that if they stop moving, their bodies become even more stiffer, weaker, and it's gonna be basically more painful. I was exactly the same. As a young adult, I ignored my scoliosis. I knew I had it, but oh well. It wasn't until I had children when everything changed. My spinal curve, pelvic tilt, pregnancy weight, and carrying babies eventually led to sciatic nerve pain, and that is no fun, believe me. That's when I realized scoliosis wasn't something that would simply go away on its own. As I got older, I understood that if I wanted to stay active and independent, I had to take my spine seriously. Some mornings I wake up feeling like I'm 100 years old. My back is stiff, I can hardly move. It hurts getting out of bed. If you have scoliosis, you probably know exactly what I'm talking about, and please let me know in the comments if you do. So this message is for three groups of people. It's for parents whose children have scoliosis. It's for adults who are just beginning to experience scoliosis-related pain, or even just realizing or somebody have told you that you have scoliosis. I told a few of my clients, did you know you have scoliosis? And they're like, no. And it's for those of us who have been living with scoliosis for years. Don't give up on your spine. Daily movements do matter. Gentle strengthening also matters. And stretching matters as well. Walking, massage helps. For some people, chiropractic care may also provide temporary relief. So none of these things will fix our spine, our scoliosis, but they can help you live with it maybe more comfortably and keep doing the things that you love. I'll never forget something my doctor told me once. So one year I said, Doctor, I exercise every day. I get massages, I do Pilates, and my back still hurts, though it hurts a little bit less, but it's still hurting me. And this is what the rest of my life is going to be like? And he smiled and said, unfortunately, this may be as good as it gets for you. You're doing everything right. But if you stop doing those things, you'll feel much worse. And that completely changed my perspective. Instead of asking, why do I still hurt? I started asking, how much worse would I feel if I actually stopped doing daily activity? I changed the way I think about scoliosis, and that became my motivation. So I walk every day, I do Pilates every day, and I stretch every single day. There, I'm gonna roll right now. I get regular massages, not because they cure scoliosis, but because they help me keep living the life that I want. Fitness is built in daily activity. Think about it. Fitness is built in daily activity, in daily action. If you have scoliosis, movement is not optional. It is an investment in your future. Getting old isn't easy. Getting older with scoliosis makes the journey even more challenging. But do we still have a choice? Yes, we can give up or we can keep showing up our bodies every single day. Let me know what your choice is in the comments, please. And if you're living with scoliosis, I want you to know that you are not alone. I understand the frustrations and the stiffness, the good days and the bad days, but let's keep moving together. Let's keep getting stronger together. Let's fight for the best quality of life. Because while we may not win against scoliosis, we can absolutely win against becoming weaker than we have to be. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It helps me tremendously and it's free for you. If you like to see more videos on building your core strength, check out the video right here. And thank you very much for supporting my channel. I'll see you in the next one.